Hi. In this demo, we are going to discuss how HappSales AI agents for creating records can help improve your team's productivity and how your organization can benefit from more data and intelligence. When it comes to the adoption of business applications, we all know that the biggest challenge is that end users hate data entry work. They just don't like the process of navigating many screens and feeding all the data into those fields out there. It is often perceived as a very mundane, cumbersome, boring activity that hampers their productivity. And as per research, less than 30% data is captured in systems. Organizations miss out on a lot of critical market information and intelligence. And of course, without data, becomes very difficult to make informed decisions and get that competitive advantage. Our next set of AI agents is released to help fix these challenges. Let us see how it works. I'll show you four examples. Now, let's say the user goes on to the app sales platform. It opens up the Copilot AMI's page, and I'm going to put in a command here saying create new account, Apple Motors, location, Bangalore, industry, automotive. Let's see what happens. When I pass on this command, our Copilot AMI understands this command, understands the context, and then it goes on and fills all the fields that is required based on the command that is sent out. It can be either a voice command or a text command, right? So the AI agents pick up the command, it understands the context, maps it to the corresponding screens and fills all the data with the input parameters going into those respective fields. And finally, users can simply preview and save. Done. All this happens on the fly with just a simple command. There is no need to navigate screens, no forms, no tabs, no clicks whatsoever. Now, after I've created the account, let's say I met a contact called John Peter. I want to say create a new contact, John Peter, uh, in that account with the email ID. It again goes on to the corresponding screen. It understands where it needs to go. And based on that information provided here, it fills in all the details. All I have to do as a user is review it quickly and then save it. Now, I'm identified an opportunity here with the same account. So my command is create an opportunity with the same account so that it understands the context. I put a project value of 100,000, a closure date of 15th August with a stage evaluation and probability 60%. Now that it is talking about opportunity, it goes to a specific screen. It fills in all the information and respective fields. As you can see, it's accurately filled in. All I have to do is preview and save it. Now, as a next step, I want to schedule a meeting activity with John, and I'm saying next Friday, 4 p.m. It understands the context. So next Friday is automatically picked up as 16th May as a date, and then the rest of the screen is picked up, and again, it's saved here, right? Now, trust you're able to appreciate all this technology eliminates all the friction for your users. It can improve your team's productivity, and at the same time, organizations can have all the required data for better decision making. Now, at the end of this video, I would urge you to go to the description and check out another video link where I'm demonstrating our army of AI agents is specifically designed and trained for better sales management and decision making. It includes the opportunities and pipeline agent, which looks into deals, pipeline, performance, all of that. It includes summary agents, which is fine tuned to get a summary of accounts, opportunities, specific information about your teams, their performance, so on and so forth. There are agents which is fine tuned and trained for getting contextual insights and recommendations for a specific query and how to improve that parameter of your query. There's a sales velocity agent which looks like parameters into the conversion of the win rate, the sales cycle, etc. There's an activity analysis agent, there is a graph agent, and many others. We now have nearly 20 agents that are trained to deliver such innovations. And this is just a beginning, right? We are going to roll out many such innovations in the coming months to help organizations fix inefficiencies across the entire revenue value chain and transform what we call as the three P's in your business: productivity, performance, and predictability. Thank you so much for watching this.